Welcome to English Library channel.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Let's start now. We should start now. We should not start now. Don't start now. You can start later. Shall we start later? This is my favorite book. Is this your favorite book? This is not my favorite book. Isn't this your favorite book? Stay away from us. Don't stay away from us. Do you want to stay away from us? Why don't you stay away from them? I got this idea. I didn't get this idea. She sat on the floor. Did she sit on the floor? She didn't sit on the floor. Didn't she sit on the floor? He was attracted by your speech. Was he attracted by my speech? He was not attracted by your speech. Wasn't he attracted by my speech?
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம நம்மளோட சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய சூப்பரான வீடியோஸை பார்க்க மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணி ஆல் அப்படின்னு செட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. மறுபடியும் இதே மாதிரி ஒரு சூப்பரான வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். Until then, you take care. Thanks for watching.